In the Pacific Northwest, the weather can be beautiful, but also predictably wet and stormy. So the quality of your window installation is crucial to your home's durability and comfort. At Lake Washington Windows and Doors, we understand that a window is only as good as its installation. With this in mind, let me introduce to you our exclusive leak armor installation method, honed through years of experience working in commercial buildings and over tens of thousands of residential projects right here in the Pacific Northwest. Our method fortifies your home with unmatched protection and a promise of lasting quality. Our leak armor installation consists of 5 layers of protection for your windows and doors. We begin by applying our adhesive leak armor boot below the window or door, then our metal leak armor hood above it. These pieces protect the top and bottom of your window or door. We then apply our high-quality polyurethane leak armor glue shield around the perimeter of the rough opening wall in preparation for the window flange. Next, we position the window with its built-in leak armor flange in the rough opening, embedding the window flange against the glue shield, thus creating a water and airtight barrier between the window and the wall. Our 4th layer of protection is our adhesive leak armor rain jacket applied over the window flange on the sides and the top of the window. This additional layer ensures no moisture and air will get around the window and into your home. Finally, with our 5th layer of protection, we apply another layer of our leak armor glue shield around the window trim, all but ensuring a window system that is impervious to air and water leaks. But it's not just about protection, it's also about the transformative benefits. First, superior weatherproofing, no more leaks or concerns about wood rot. Second, energy efficiency. New windows can save you up to 30% on your energy bills annually. Third, stress-free maintenance. Experience peace of mind with easy maintenance and fewer repairs. Fourth, golden silence. Enjoy tranquility with reduced outdoor noise. And then 5th, protection. Safeguard your home and loved ones with AMA-certified security locks throughout your home. Our leak armor guarantee has got you covered, ensuring your home is protected from leaks and moisture damage with every single installation. Plus, our 10-year installation warranty provides you with the peace of mind you deserve. So, are you ready to transform your home? Let us enhance your home's beauty and comfort. Contact us at lakewashingtonwindows.com, and if you mention this video, claim an extra $100 off.